Apple cider vinegar is a popular condiment and health food. It's made from apples using the fermentation process, enriching it with live cultures, minerals, and acids. Apple cider vinegar has many applications as a home remedy. One of these is as a hair wash to improve scalp health, strengthen hair, and enhance shine. For those dealing with hair issues such as itchy scalp or hair breakage, apple cider vinegar might be a great natural remedy to explore. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Let us discuss the benefits of using apple cider vinegar for hair. If you are a fellow hair product junkie or have ever gone a couple days without washing your hair, basically all of us, I'm sure you are familiar with how gross products and oil buildup feels. After several rounds of dry shampoo, hairspray, and styling creams, your scalp can be left with a lingering layer of product that no amount of rinsing time seems to eliminate. This is especially true if you live in a place with soft water, which can give hair a slippery feel. Now, the good news is you can probably find a good and affordable fix in your kitchen cabinet: apple cider vinegar. An apple cider vinegar based rinse is touted by trichologists and hairstylists everywhere for helping restore life to your hair in a matter of minutes. The do-it-yourself ingredient is a great replacement for fancy clarifying shampoos, easier on your wallet and oftentimes more effective. You will probably notice the funky acidic scent immediately upon opening the bottle, but you don't have to worry about walking around smelling like salad dressing. Yes, your shower will smell faintly of vinegar after a rinse, but the odor disappears when rinsed down the drain, and you won't notice anything on your hair after it dries. However, you do have to be cautious about application. Since the concentration of apple cider vinegar is so strong, you can't simply pour a bottle of apple cider vinegar onto your head. Not only will that end up stripping your hair, the acidic nature could irritate and burn your scalp. You should always dilute a half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to every 8 ounces of water, increasing it over time based on your scalp reaction. Everyone should experiment to find a dilution that works best for them, as dry hair needs less apple cider vinegar and oily hair needs more. I recommend shampooing first and then saturating the hair with apple cider vinegar. Once you massage the solution into the scalp, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing and conditioning as normal. The frequency of application will depend on your hair type. Remember, dry hair likes less and oily hair likes more. But don't overdo it, as it can cause brassiness and damage in high doses. That being said, psychologists and stylists agree that those with a hypersensitive scalp or any type of skin abrasion or disorders should avoid using apple cider vinegar, as it has the potential to further irritate skin that may already be vulnerable. If you have any open wounds, such as blister cuts or scabs, I would not recommend using it until it's healed or otherwise consulted by your doctor. You should also try not to use it right before or right after a chemical treatment, such as a coloring or keratin job, because the pH can affect the treatment you are having done. Now that we have covered the logistics, here are some benefits of apple cider vinegar for your hair and scalp. Number one, creates shine and protects color. Apple cider vinegar smooths and seals the hair cuticle, making it ideal for reaching high shine levels. The enzymes from the fermented apple close and smooth the hair cuticle, the protective layer that locks in vital lipids, proteins, and moisture. Doing this will restore condition and shine, plus even prevent color pigment loss if your hair is color treated. Number 2, clarifies and adds volume. The biggest symptom of second-day hair is straggly, limp, and lifeless strands. That's because excess grease can weigh down hair on your scalp, destroying any appearance of volume. In addition to clearing out grease, grime, and product build-up that has clumped up in your hair over time, apple cider vinegar removes the weight of those excess oils, helping to boost volume as a result. Number 3, relieves itchy scalp and dandruff. In addition to its many beneficial properties, apple cider vinegar is also an anti-inflammatory, meaning it can prevent bacterial growth on the scalp. It's even used as a natural household cleanser. This should come as a huge relief for dandruff sufferers or people with an itchy scalp. Along with antimicrobial properties that can effectively relieve inflammation, apple cider vinegar helps balance your pH and exfoliate scalp skin, which can minimize dandruff and reduce itchiness. Number 4, encourages hair growth. Although apple cider vinegar isn't a cure for treating hair loss, its acidity is linked as a potential solution for hair thinning by keeping a balanced pH level. Hair has an ideal pH level of between 4 and 5, but many commercial shampoos may disrupt this. If this is the cause of your hair loss, adding a shot of apple cider vinegar to your hair routine can restore its levels, unclog pores, and stimulate hair regrowth. Number 5, can clear out stubborn product. Apple cider vinegar is great at getting built up out of your hair. A big part of this is due to its acidic nature. It's less acidic than your typical clarifying shampoo, but more acidic than regular shampoo. Grease, grime, and any product that's clumped up in your hair over time will be washed out while your hair is kept intact. Number 6, contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Apple cider vinegar is a known anti-inflammatory and can prevent bacterial growth on the scalp as well as the population of dandruff. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of apple cider vinegar for hair. Please drop a comment below telling me how you have used apple cider vinegar on your hair and the results that you got. And if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. Using apple cider vinegar as hair rinse. Regular use of shampoos, conditioners, and other hair products leads to product buildup. Apple cider vinegar hair rinse helps in cleaning your scalp completely and adds shine to your hair. Mix apple cider vinegar and water in equal proportions and pour over your hair after you have applied shampoo and conditioner. Leave your hair as it is for a couple of minutes and then wash it off with water. If you have a sensitive scalp, add more water than vinegar. Using apple cider vinegar as hair detangler. Tangled hair lead to most hair fall, and this budget product can help you resolve your tangled mess. All you need to do is mix apple cider vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio and pour it in a spray bottle. Before you start combing, spray this mix on your hair. Using apple cider vinegar to make hair shiny. One of the most common problems we all face with hair care products is that they become ineffective after repeated use. One of the reasons for this is product build-up that clogs hair follicles. As a result, hair starts to look dull and lifeless. To solve this problem, we again have apple cider vinegar to our rescue. In a large cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and rinse hair after shampoo. Rinse off again using cold water and apply a mild conditioner to the end of hair strands. Using apple cider vinegar for treating dandruff. Home remedies for treating dandruff often miss out mentioning apple cider vinegar. But like we said earlier, apple cider vinegar is an all-rounder and is an effective home remedy for dandruff. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and massage your scalp. Let it stay for a few minutes and then wash off with cold water. Repeat on a weekly basis or twice a week if you have severe dandruff problem. Why this works? The acidic nature of vinegar acts against fungus Malassezia, which causes dandruff. Thank you for watching our video that explains apple cider vinegar for hair. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.